Abe Stor, a car parts brand originating from Japan, combines Japanese craftsmanship with traditional Eastern manufacturing. Our products are manufactured in designated factories in China and Malaysia, embodying Japanese quality standards and innovative concepts to provide superior performance and reliability for your vehicles. Since our establishment in 2008, Abe Stor has continuously absorbed advanced Japanese technology and manufacturing processes to offer a variety of outstanding components for Japanese, Korean, and American vehicles, including suspension components. Our suspension components aim to enhance a vehicle's suspension performance and handling. Through precision manufacturing and advanced design, they keep your vehicle stable on various road conditions, providing a more comfortable driving experience. Electronic components. Our electronic components incorporate advanced electronic technology to offer you a convenient and intelligent driving experience. These components include vehicle electronic control systems, improving a vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. They also provide various connectivity and entertainment features, making driving more enjoyable. Engine components. Our engine components are designed to enhance engine performance, reduce fuel consumption, and prolong the engine's lifespan. They optimize the engine's operation, ensuring it delivers exceptional performance in various conditions while minimizing its environmental impact. Abe Stor's manufacturing facilities are located in China and Malaysia, enabling us to harness the manufacturing capabilities of both regions to provide high-quality products to customers. Each production step undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring a 100% pass rate. Our employees receive professional training to ensure they have the skills and knowledge to manufacture outstanding products. Abe Stor has not only made a mark in the domestic market, but has also established long-term partnerships in the international market. Our products have been exported to the Middle East, Central Asia, and other regions. We collaborate closely with the global partners, earning recognition and high praise from international clients, with export volumes increasing year by year. In the future, Abe Stor Spare Parts Company Limited will continue to pursue excellence in quality. We will continue to blend the traditions and innovations of Japanese industry, striving to make the Abe Stor brand a top-tier player in the automotive parts industry. We will uphold the values of integrity and win-win, and work hand-in-hand with partners to inject more innovation and excellence into the automotive industry. Let's embark on a new journey together, infusing more vitality and innovation into the industrial manufacturing sector.